In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your YouTube channel to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your content and grow your audience right from your professional LinkedIn network. So let's get started. First, you'll want to visit youtube.com and make sure you're signed into your account. If you're prompted, enter your credentials to access your YouTube channel. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to YouTube Studio. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture icon in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. YouTube Studio is where you manage your channel, view analytics, and get insights on your performance. Now, once you're in YouTube Studio, it's time to grab the URL for your channel. On the left-hand menu, click on Customization to find your channel's web address. Copy this URL because you'll need it later on when we add it to your LinkedIn profile. Next, it's time to head over to LinkedIn. Go to linkedin.com and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look to the top right and click on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. With your profile page open, look for the pencil icon next to your profile picture and click on it. This icon allows you to edit your profile. Then you'll see various sections you can edit, and you'll want to focus on the contact info. You'll find an option labelled Edit Contact Info. Give that a click. This section displays all your contact information, including websites. Within the contact info page, look for an option that says Add Website. Click on it and you'll see a space to enter your website URL. Now, remember that YouTube channel URL you copied earlier? This is where you paste it. Make sure you paste it precisely so the link directs visitors correctly to your channel. Once you've pasted your YouTube channel's URL, double check to ensure it's correctly entered. The last step is to save your changes. You'll see a save button, generally towards the bottom of each form in LinkedIn's interface. Click save. And with that simple action, your YouTube channel is now linked to your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. By incorporating your YouTube channel into your LinkedIn profile, you're bridging the gap between professional networking and your creative content, offering visitors and potential connections a full view of what you're passionate about. This straightforward integration step can help leverage both platforms to grow your professional and creative audience. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found these instructions easy to follow.